Accordingly, the flying squad had seized that sand which was illegally extracted, and thereafter an FIR was registered before Sanguem police station. I directed the mine geologist to register FIR against the landowners. So accordingly, FIR was registered to take action against those miscreants who are involved in illegal extraction of sand in this matter. And as per directions of Honorable High Court, this illegally extracted sand has to be dumped back into the river. You see, I have given direction to all the police inspectors, Sanguem police station, Kulchure police station, Kepe police station, to conduct inspections at their level also, patrolling they have to do, and take action against this miscreant. Not only sand extraction but also laterite quarry. Being Taluka Mamledar, I am having administrative duties also. So there are flying squad members under me. Though Mamledar is the overall in charge of flying squad, but there are flying squad members who are police inspectors, mine geologists. So that separate directions I have issued only. Now regarding other areas, that also inspection has been done by are undertaken by the Mamledar along with the Talatis and all.